Hi everyone, Happy New Year! This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you about traditional event in Japan, Dondo-Yaki. It's an event burning New Year's decorations. It is held all over Japan around January 15th. Some people burn Kakizome, calligraphy, for the first time in the year to improve handwriting. At the end, usually people cook mochi on a stick or any food. In our local area, it was marshmallow. However, since the pandemic, we are not doing it. It is said that if you eat it, you will be blessed with good health and good luck. In this video, I will quickly share with you how it was like. For many years, I couldn't have chance to go, but this year we made it. I know we are busy every moment. Even if you know it, it is difficult to stop and think now than future. So I think this kind of event is really important, like looking at the flame all the time and listening to the sound was really calming. Looking back, this moment is really calming as well. So I thought I wanted to share this sacred moment with you. I hope you enjoyed this video and may this year become a wonderful one.
穴遠くじゃ見えない。火が燃えてるね。すごいね。だるまとかいっぱいあって、いっぱい人集まってるね。暑いよね、あれ近づくだけで。
近づくだけで暑いから。
あ、紙袋が舞っちゃってるよ。紙袋、おお、何をやってんだおじいさん。灰がすごいね。灰がすごい乗ってるよ。どうでしたか、投げた感想は。
天気がいいです。これで
暑いな。
不運に見舞われないと思います。
紙でロマンスカーだ。
あれ、本当だ。ねえ、あれもらいたかったよ。あれ。あった。
ゲットしました。